30% is good if you're doing in a stock, but if you are doing a trading, if you're keeping a full time 30-35%, how it works. And I'll show you a little bit of proof too, that at least you should get to proof real PNL, so you'll get idea. So this is my approach. Normally you will get 10 credits when you subscribe to premium plan. You will get the 4 credit when you do a basic plan of a Quantman. Okay, so you guys are smart enough to research about all those things easily on a Quantman. Okay, so now let me go to how you can build a strategy, how you can see the strategy on a Quantman like every day. So wherever you see automatic, it's my real trade. Wherever see your paper, it's my paper trade, whatever I'm testing. And last transactions you see is like, whatever happened in my last transaction. So you will see it here. Okay. So now let's study like very first, how to create your first strategy on appointment. We'll start with a bad strategy and then we'll improve it. So we'll learn 2 to 3 selling strategy today and 1 or 2 buying strategy today. Okay. So this would be your our approach today. So how you create your first strategy is, normally I wanted to create a first strategy for very range bound market. Okay. So I kept that strategy name as a ranger. Okay. So now I forgot to say, like first you have to do create a strategy, then do a back test. Let's do first the back test. I wanted to start, like I wanted to create first Sensex strategy. Okay. So Sensex data started from August 1st till today. Okay. My first strategist name is Ranger. I'm going to keep a name today's class as 8 Feb English. 8 Feb. 8 Feb 2025 English. Okay. Index, you can do anything, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, RP, stock, but let me go with first Sensex. Okay. Here you can enter n number of indicator. You can do a current candle. You can do a previous candle, n number of candle, but let me just do current candle as of now. Okay. Current candle, you can do it. Here you can go for a Heikin-Ashi, open interest. Even if you want a volume candle, Sensex don't have a volume candle right now. They don't have a data, but if you go in a Nifty, you can get a volume candle also, okay, to check it out. But right now we will just go with the self, transactional candle. How many trades happen on during that time? Oh, sorry, Bhauka candle, price candle, right? So right now we'll take a price candle for the 5 minutes, okay? We don't need right now that candle because we are doing a time-based strategy. So we don't need like any indicator, but otherwise you can have all kind of simple moving average, relative strength index, then say Arun VWAP, if you like VWAP. Uh, my favorite would be ADX. ADX is like one of my favorite indicator, right? Anybody know why ADX is used for? Can anyone reply me? I'll give you a bonus at the end if you reply to that. Okay. So now I want to day time of the day equals to 9:22. Okay, this is my first condition. So this is my entry time, and my exit time would be time of the day equals to 15:08:00. Okay. Yes, give direction. Give directions also, and it also give you a strength. How much if ADX is more than 25, okay, the momentum or the directions would be a strong. The trend would be a strong trend. Okay. So ADX will give you a directions also, and also if more than 25, it give you a, okay भाई दम है, जो भी जा रहा है उसमें दम है. Good answer. Who gave the answer? Ankur Shah ji, Srinivas ji. Oh, so many people. Ramesh Raja ji. Okay. I like when people are active. Okay. So we'll do a CEP. Okay. We are going to sell this one. Okay. Instead of OTM1, we can do OTM4, OTM4. Okay. And we are going to do a 70%. Well, nowadays 70% also heated very, very fast. Okay. We'll show you. I'll show you the result. Okay. So this is a simple strategy. It's called Ranger. OTM4, time based, right? Simple automation. कि भाई मुझे 9 buys को I have to do selling of 2 C and P at 922 with a 70% stop loss. Let's see how is the result of this one. Okay, spot base, spot base. Here we can do current week, next week, current month, next month. We can do so many things. So this is a result, but results looks good. Okay, it has earned 1,37,000. But you see the flatness here from October here. Okay, till January or February, it gives a very flat result. Or even so many people has done a big losses because big candle spikes you can't see here. Because what normally Quantman do, it gives you a reading on a 1 minute candle high low, or a 3 minute candle high low, or a 5 minute candle high low, right? So you won't get the spike when big losses are happening, stop loss is getting jumped. So you won't get those details a perfect way, right? So that's the reason you will see. But if you see, right, October, November, even January was not negative for this result. So this all, if you add this one, February is good, but till now everything was. So things which was not working in last 3 months, suddenly this strategy has started working very nice way from January. So in February it started working, right? So you have to wait sometime 3 months, 4 months to get the better result, right? We were like in pain. I'll show you in my real same way we can see here, it don't show all the losses, but in reality we have drawdown of like around 10,000, but after 10,000 he started, but we changed the strategy. So now we want to change, or we want to improve this strategy. Okay, because market is changing. A significant change comes into the market after 14th of November, right? Everybody's aware about it, right? What change? Like entire bank nifty was gone. Earlier this strategy was not working on a Sensex, but strategy was working on bank nifty. But then we change it to Sensex, and Sensex gives a hell of a time for entire, 2 to 3 months. Like to handle the people in this period was very, very, very difficult. But now what change we did, like how to improve this strategy, we can always get it from a backtest. So how we change this strategy is, so now what improvement we can do is simple. So hopefully now you remember this data, 1,37,000 from this one. Strategy has winning probability of 68%. Risk per trade is 1.86 and drawdown is 7,800. Okay. Okay. So remember this number. Now, how we will change the strategy? What changes you can do? So what change I have done is, when time of the day is above 12, okay. This is little advanced. So new people, you have to understand this one. Okay. So when time of above 12 and leg one already already exited in loss. Okay. भैया जो भी अक्षांश है, keep your tick mark right way, otherwise I have to kick you out. Okay. uh Leg one already exited and loss is true. So if this condition match, okay, leg one ka loss ho gaya hai, right? If this is loss already done, what I wanted to do is, first I want to close the leg number two, because whatever the profit it has, I want to book that profit. And I wanted to enter in two more legs. But at that time, I want with 30% stop loss only. Okay. थोड़ा brokerage खा जाएगा, but let's see how much, and instead of OTM2, we'll just do OTM4 again. Okay. Same cheese. One more adjustment. When time of the day is above 12:00, okay, and leg 2 already exited in a loss is true. Okay, this condition 2 should match. I wanted to close leg number 1 at that time. Okay, close leg number 1 at that time, and then CEP sell 30%, 30%. I'll stop working. Okay, and OTM4, OTM4, sell. Okay, okay. Hope everything is correct. Everything is correct. Okay. Just say yes if you understand this logic. Okay. अगर मेरे स्टॉप लॉसेस हिट हो जाते हैं, नॉर्मली एक साइड स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया है, ठीक है, एंड यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड लाइक दोनों साइड स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, तो उस दिन के लिए तो मैं स्ट्रैटेजी सारी बंद ही कर दूंगा। ओके, बट अगर नहीं हिट हुआ है, एक ही साइड का हिट हुआ है, देन एंड देन आई वांट टू एंटर। So I want you to enter the third condition by yourself. Okay, I'm not going to give you that secret, but I also want I want the condition that 12 बजे के बाद, if both stop losses hit it, I want to exit it from this 4 leg 2. Otherwise, what going to happen? It will enter into the 4 different legs. Okay, but let's do the back test of this one. Okay, so this strategy works better. What was the amount? Same capital, everything is same. Strategy is improved. Do you see significant improvement or normal improvement in the same capital? You see, it was a flat here, but now at least it survived. But now it is working very well into the current time, even this strategy, when hitting it. Okay. Last worst month was 24. Even drawdown also got a little bit of reduced. But risk per trade, you can put slippage is 0.25. Okay. It's not going to change much. Okay. This is good. Sujit ji, even after slippage, you can do it for Nifty if you want, but for me, Sensex is working well, so I did it for Sensex. You can do it even for the Bank Nifty monthly. Bank Nifty monthly also good. Even let's see, like if you do 0.75, okay, even 0.75 slippage, it is working well. Okay, so you can do a 0.75. तो इससे बात तो दिस इज अ बाइंग स्लिपेजेस राइट, सेलिंग में इतना ज्यादा स्लिपेज होगा, स्लिपेजेस उस दिन नहीं करना। ये स्ट्रैटेजी का एक ही ट्रिक है, ठीक है, only one simple trick. Okay, the day you find both side premium are increasing at the same time, stop run this strategy for that day. Okay, that is the only thing you have to do a little bit manually. The day in the beginning of the day you will find, right, सेंसेक्स में किसी ने ऑब्जर्व किया है, whatever when VIX is high or VIX is going up or down, both side premium goes a same way, or one side premium go drop significantly, or going significantly, other side premium don't change at all. किसी ने observe, anybody has observed that one in Sensex? Just say okay if you have observed. At that day, just close this strategy. Okay, at that day, just close this strategy. That's the only thing you need to do. Okay, so this is a strategy number one. I call it Ranger. Okay, you have to remember, you have to improve one more step in this one. When my both stop losses got hit upar or niche before 12 o'clock, I don't want to enter into strategy again, or you can enter. So this I will leave on to you guys to improve the strategy. Okay, so this is number one. Everybody got the idea? Is it a good strategy or a bad strategy? You can do it on even a Nifty if you wish. Okay, a Ranger for Bank Nifty month. Bank Nifty. Okay. Change it for Bank Nifty. Current month. Current month. Just for a sake of today's good. Okay. Yeah, I'll show it. For Bank Nifty, this is not working monthly, especially. It's not working well. But it was working very good from October and November, right? The day it changes, the day it got a volume, it is working very well after for a monthly. So definitely there are certain things that have changed in couple of months. If you see like November, December, January, February, in monthly it is working very well. So I'll give you to your wit, okay? I'll leave it to your wit that where you want to use. I normally use in Sensex. You can do in Nifty too, okay? We'll say like Nifty. Nifty again weekly we have to do, right? Week. Where is it? Current week. current wick, current wick, current. It's easy, right? You guys can make the strategy, right? Don't ask for the link. It's very easy to make strategies, right? If you don't try it, you're gonna reply, you're gonna, stay on my diet all the time. Okay. So for Nifty also working well, you have to change a little bit of, OTM for normally on Nifty, you can do on, instead of this, you can do on ATM because for Nifty, I think on ATM, it will work much better. So these are the little changes you have to do, where you want to. For a Nifty, you can test it for 2019, right? Let's test from 2019. So for a Nifty also, drawdown is high, okay? But it might work. Probably if after adding a slippage, it won't work that great. Cool. So I'll leave it to your wit. Okay. You try your best way. This is little different approach in a ranger. Okay. You don't even need to do it. One of my friend do in an entirely different way. But this is like one way of doing your strategy. Now let's do a different approach. Right. This is the first selling strategy that we have learned. Let's do another strategy. So I wanted to make a strategy for trending market. Okay. When market is trending, my this selling strategy should win. So when I wanted to make a strategy for a trending market, what should I do? Like how much stop loss I should keep? Anybody can give me the idea? So I say trend settler. Okay. Let me do in Sensex only. Okay. You guys can do 2023 August till today. Okay. So this time, instead of entering at 925, I wanted to enter at 945. Okay. So this is my first approach. Same, instead of spot base, I'll say premium near. Okay. I'll do around 350, 350, 50%, 30%, 30%, 30%. Simple strategy. Okay. CEP, 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 sell, sell. And here also premium near 400, 400. Okay. So this is simple strategy. Instead of this one, I want to exit at 1450. Okay. So this is also a very simple strategy. Let's see how it runs. Okay. So this strategy was working like a magic till July. But after it gives a flat and then it gives a big drawdown and then again it start working. Okay. So from where January 8th, it gives a big drawdown of 48,000. This is unacceptable. Okay. This is although that strategy has give a very good result in this one, but after that market goes flat and then market goes down and market goes super volatile and it gives a very bad result, right? If I do a testing till now, probably this strategy has not given a bigger drawdown, but यहाँ पे strategy has given a bigger drawdown, and in reality also it did the same thing, right? So it gives a 20,000 whopping drawdown during that period. So what we have done changes here is to improve. It should work in this period too, and it should work on that period too. Okay. But it won't work because you know what happened in this market is, right? Every strategy from November to January end working like a hell, hitting stop loss both the side, spikes coming both the side, not in a one side, spikes coming both the side. So to fight this, we come up with the one more idea called ADX. Okay. ADX for 5 minutes. Okay. And I changed the approach of instead of entering all at the same time, I divided my entry. Okay. The capital is going to be the same. Everything is going to be same. So I changed it a little bit. So now one more condition is if time of the day is above 9:45, so I don't want to enter before 9:45 because my ranger is taking care before 9:45. So I don't want all my guns to be enter in this kind of a market at the same time. I want my all strategy to enter at different time and also after checking a condition. So what condition I wanted to check is when ADX is below, sorry, ADX is above, because this is I'm looking for a trend. So whenever my ADX is above 25, then and then I want this strategy to enter because I want the trend should be a strong for this strategy. If my ADX is below 25, I know this, this is going to hit up badly. Okay. So that's the reason I gave this change. Now I wanted to adjust my second entry. Okay. So what is my second entry is my time of the day is above 10:30. Okay, or 11:30 or 12:30. I want to put on your weight. Okay, I'm not going to give you directly. And same condition. At that time also, I'm going to check ADX. My ADX is above 25. Okay, then again CEP sell strike premium near 400. Same cheese, 30% stop losses, 30% stop losses. Okay. So this is the simple adjustment I did. Okay. Where is my cable? Okay. So this is the second adjustment I did. And let's see what would be the result. Okay. So hope you remember wo past wala curve tha. Do you remember that curve? Let's see what's the change in this. The strategy is not great like that, but at least improved a little bit. Okay, little bit that drawdown changed significantly from 48,000 to almost 18,000. So it survived even this kind of a market. Number of entries also, if we want to check, previous entry was this one, right? It earned a good amount. So number of entries 243 plus 120, right? So 100. So 343 plus, so 373 entry approximately. Here, how many entries we say? 224. So 224 plus 27. So almost 200. So 224. So 350 entry. So it reduced almost 25 to 26 days entry. Okay. Risk per trade is increases, drawdowns also increases. So you wanted to make this kind of a strategy too in future. Okay. And if you start booking a profit for this strategy, start booking or learn to book a profit also. So if you say, if you are planning that, okay, book a profit at 80%, book a profit at 80%, book a profit at 80%, book a profit at 80%. Let's see how it changed now. It didn't change much, okay, 80%, but still, this is how you can, improve your strategy, make something, add something, check at the different timing. You put at 11:30, you can start changing, okay, what would be my second timing? Instead of 10:30, I wanted to put, 12 o'clock. Then I want to enter. Okay. So 12 o'clock is much better, even reduce the drawdown, right? So this is like a little bit better, even earning wise less, but the graph is much smoother than after 10:30. So you also have to check a timing, which timing it works well, which timing it didn't work well, what kind of a market. You even have to check, during this time. Okay, 29 January, I had a big loss, right? So I wanted to check big loss. It took only two entry at that time, right? It didn't take a second entry because at that time, ADX probably at that time in a lower mode. Even probably I'll be wrong with my thesis that, I want ADX could be at 25. Sometimes second entry, even ADX is lower than 25. This might works well too. Okay. So check your time, make your strategy, change your approaches, how, but check your backtest for, check it for, Nifty, Bank Nifty, which strategy is working. Even do a combine with, if your first strategy is Ranger is for Bank Nifty, keep this strategy for a Sensex. Okay. If you want, this trend settler, you want a trend in the market, do for a Bank Nifty monthly, combine both strategy together. So now if I have a combination of these two strategy, okay, trend settler, I think this strategy is much better. And Ranger Bank Nifty, not Bank Nifty, I want to check. Where was this? My Ranger. This Ranger. So this Ranger is better. Okay. So I wanted to combine this result. Okay. I'm going to click these two strategy and I'm going to combine this result. So if you combine this result, the combination of this two is going to give you a good result daily around, 1100 to 1200 rupees average profit. Okay. You can check the result, which month which is working well, which month which is not working well, get the ideas about it, and you will have a better performance. Okay. Everybody is asking me for a link. I have an app called AI Trade Lab. Okay, probably you will find on Google. Anybody have seen the YouTube video of Nifty downside strategy on a Quantman? Quantman has shared one video. That strategy is actually a very good. Uh, I named this strategy a Nifty Yorker. Okay, this strategy is working very well for me. Okay. So if you remember, this strategy, I have to approve all those people. This strategy has delivered a very good result for me. So this strategy backtest for Nifty, I'll do from 2021, okay, till today. Nifty, remember yes, after that I'll do buying strategy too, okay. Current candle. So combination with this two strategy, this combination will work like a charm, okay. I keep saying this, but I'll show you with this one also. Today is which one? 8 Feb, English class, okay. I'll do back test. पहले 2021 से बैक टेस्ट दिखाता हूँ इसका, ठीक है, till today, till 2025 February, February, yes, February. Okay. Current candle 3 minute. We need Bollinger Band for 5 minutes. Okay, Bollinger Band for 5 minutes. This is a setting. We want super trend. Okay, we want super trend for 10 minutes, and it has a 15-minute interval. Okay, don't forget it has a 15-minute interval and multiplier too. Okay, for a super trend. Okay, and central pivot range. So what I want it. Okay. So when my current close is below middle Bollinger Band, okay, my current close is below middle Bollinger, my current close is below super trend, okay, and my current close is below CPR S1, okay. Remember these three conditions. I wanted to enter into this two leg, okay, CE sell and CE buy. So I want to hedge also at that time, okay. I wanted to hedge, and I just want to take a 10-point stop losses and 20 points. So instead of percentage, I want to take a profit in a 20 points. And quick adjustment, if my exiting in a profit, I wanted to close hedging leg. If I'm exited in loss, that means my hedge is going to high, but I wanted to go move to move cost. Okay, move to the cost. So at least I'm going to enter, or I'm not going to lose any money onto the hedge trade. Okay, so this is the first condition. Now, what adjustment I'm going to do? If my my leg is exited already in a loss is true. Okay, if I am hitting a stop loss, okay, so this is my condition. So if market is coming down, and I'm taking entry, but somehow market got reversed, okay, so that time what's going to happen? Because at the time my stop loss going to happen, and I wanted to enter into the current week ATM. So I want to take a reverse trade. Okay, same way, same trade, same reverse trade, ATM, but I'm going to double my trade, but I'm going to keep my target same. Okay, remember that. I'm going to double my lots, but I'm going to target same. So this will take a half of the cost, because I'm taking, but this is take a one lot of cost. So you have to keep the capital for the one lot, whatever it is right now, 3 lakh or 3 lakh something, whatever it is, you have to keep a capital for the two lots, sorry, one lot, because I'm taking a hedge here. Okay, same conditions, everything. But if both going to survive, both going to survive. Okay, my take profit is 3,000. Okay, my take profit is 3,000. Okay, so let me do the test for this. So let me do this test till 1st December. December. Nifty का lot 75 कब से हुआ था? December, right? So let me do this for December 1st. Instead of 3,000, I'm going to keep 1,000 profit. Okay. I did it 3,000 because lot right now is 3,000. Okay. So it gives, logically, it gives a very good result, almost 79.77% result. Okay. Drawdown is less in a Nifty, and it consecutively booking a profit of 1,300 to 1,400, almost a very good result. Few March and April was a little bit bad. Okay. Otherwise, the strategy is delivering a good result. So it's a very good combinations, with this one. And let me do a test of last, uh, you know, from January 2025, January 2025 till February 7. Okay. And right now, 3,000 because lot size got changed. So how it is performing after 75, okay? So it's delivering almost 92% result, okay, in last month. And you will see in my portfolio too. So every month it is earning 8,000 to 9,000 on a one lot, okay? So this is going to be a very good strategy combination with my two ranges, okay? So let me do the test for this from August 2023. 3,000, okay. Still results are good, okay. Results are good for 3 months. Now I wanted to combine these three. So Nifty Yorker, then my trend settler, which one was good? This one was good. And my ranger was good. This one, this three. So I am combining these three. My strategy performance, like I'm going to earn a good amount of money on daily basis, and even my this red is moved. Okay. So it's a good combination. So you should know which combination goes with which strategy. Instead of putting your all money into the one single strategy, you should combine, which strategy goes with which strategy. Every day you are going to earn, and every month, if you see, this portfolio will require nowadays. Okay, I'm not talking about yesterday, but this portfolio requires uh, I think 1 lakh in a range, because I'm going to do hedging on the Sensex. I do hedge every day for the Sensex. So my Sensex strategy to run, like running both strategy, require around 3 lakh rupees and 1.5 lakh rupees or a 2 lakh rupees for this one. So 4 or 5 lakh will earn me almost 38 to 39,000 every month. If we earn half of it, okay, half of it. So say like backtest is showing, 36,000, 37,000, but you are also going to incur lots of other things. Even at 20,000, earning a 4% on a 5 lakh rupees without even running any buying strategy. Is it a good amount or not? And those three strategy I showed you, it's logically possible, right? Although it's going to hit stop losses both the side. Last two backtest is showing this one. So if backtest is showing 40,000 rupees, I am not entering into any buying strategy. I am not entering into a multiple trade, probably maximum day profit. Uh, you know, uh, this way. What I say, whatever say I said, not even buying, not I'm entering into the bad day. Then and then, at least if you earn half of it, okay, still you can make 15 to 20,000 rupees on your 5 lakh rupees of portfolio, and 5 lakh rupees of portfolio without hedging, okay, without a hedging cost. If you can make this much money, would be a good idea. So what was my idea initially is I wanted to earn how much money, how much percentage a year through trading? 25 percentage. So monthly, how much I have to make? If I wanted to earn 25% a year, monthly, how much I wanted to earn? 2%, right? Still, I am preparing. I am earning 6 to 7% on my back test. At least I can earn 4% from this. Although some months I'm going to make a loss, but averagely, if I am doing a preparation for 30 to 40%, this could be possible without entering into any buying strategy at all. Okay. On the buying strategies. Create strategy, do the back test, buying. Sensex. Folder name is February. Which class? Sensex weekly. Okay. So you can add all indicators you want. Okay. Can you name few of the indicators that you think those indicators are good? Super trend is good. Okay. We'll do for 5 minutes. Moving average is good. Current candle for 3 minutes. Super trend for 5 minutes. We can keep Bollinger Band too. Bollinger Band for 5 minutes. Yes. VWAP won't work for the Sensex right now because volume data is not there. Okay. Only after the future it will be there. But right now it's not there. Then pivot points. Okay. Pivot points is there. Traditional classic will go for a classics. Day. Okay. What else? Commodity channel index. Okay. This is good one. Commodity channel index. Then what else? MACD. MACD. Yes, EMA also we can keep, but right now I don't use EMA. So EMA 12. Williamson SAR also we can do. Okay. Williamson 5 minutes. We can do ADX to confirm the trend. Okay, confirm the trend. RSI. How can I forget the RSI? Relative Strength Index. One of my most beautiful Sathi. So now, let's see. Oh, current candle तो किया, previous candle भूल गया ना? Previous candle. 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Previous candle 3 minutes का रखते हैं अपने. Okay. So previous candle, RSI. What else? Anything else? Left. Previous candle. Previous end candle also you can keep, right? But this is enough, I think. So now let's do one more. My current candle close is above. सबसे पहले upside जाने के लिए R1 से ऊपर तो होना ही चाहिए. This is the first condition anytime, right? Second condition, my current close is above. Super trend तो होना ही चाहिए, right? This is like condition like always है. My current candle close is above. अपर बॉलिंजर बैंड तो होना ही चाहिए, ठीक है. अपर बॉलिंजर बैंड के बिना तो कुछ मजा ही नहीं है. Say I keep using Hindi in between because I normally take lectures almost 8 months in Hindi. I don't know how I'm going to keep it in English, but hopefully you understand my language, right? I'm speaking a clean English, little bit, so you can understand. Now, current open interest. Good one. Current open interest is above previous open interest. Okay. So ये condition भी डाल सकते हैं, but we can't do it because we have to make this candle. Okay. So right now I'm not going to keep this candle. Okay. But this is also open interest. If you want to check, open interest is a very important topic. I was researching on, open interest from a long time. I don't know. I can show it to you here or not. Let me see. Where is my open interest? I was doing a big research, my God. Yes. What is all my learning of open interest? So right now I'm not doing it. I just showed you because I was researching on this in the morning. Okay. Then my current close is above previous high. Okay. Previous candle के high से ऊपर होना चाहिए. Okay. Then and then, I want to enter into trade. Otherwise, I don't want to enter into trade. Okay. And commodity channel index is above 150. So this is the one. You can add one more. I'll do it later. Okay. So this four conditions. If I forgot something, let me know. Which condition I should add more. Anybody, like, some senior people are also there, so they can tell me. Current close is crosses below super trend, or yes, current RSI is crosses below 48. No, I want to got it. And here also is strength index is above 72. Okay, I keep 72. This is my lucky number. Premium near 400. Okay. I want to enter with the two lots. I don't want to keep a stop loss. Okay. I don't do any adjustment. Let's see how is the result. Okay. I didn't enter like Williams or R. I didn't use this, all those things, but I keep using all those things. Let's see how is the result. From January 2023. Okay. Sorry, August. Because I'm doing in a Sensex. So let me do the August testing. Bad, but not great too. The strategy still requires certain things. Okay. If I put 1.25, it will show the bad result. Okay. Not still the 1.25 slippage, still the results showing good. Okay. Because market is not trending. So last 3-4 months entry is giving a result. So I didn't put a profit booking conditions. I keep relying on a Sensex that, it will work. But if we do a profit booking conditions, like say, if I put a 20% stop loss and I do a trailing stop loss of 40% is there, I'm gonna change 38%. Okay, this is what I'm going to change. Yeah, we will change. You can do it. Still doesn't matter. Drawdown reduced, but profit booking is not showing a great result. Okay. So what else? What else? Which more conditions we have to put to give a better result? Bollinger Band, previous current close is below previous high, previous close. Any more conditions? Above 150, this is also good. EMA I'll put, okay. Let me do some trick, okay. Instead of current week, I'm going to enter into the next week, okay. Let's see how it is. And premium 400, I'm going to enter into 300. Test it yourself, okay. Let me know in the comment or let me know in my message, okay, if this strategy will work or this trick will work or not. Okay, this is just a trick. Okay, I'm not saying this strategy will work for sure, but this is just a trick because 300 premium next week is probably won't take entry. Okay.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.